Hi, I'm Kevin Jensen with the Law Offices of Kevin Jensen. You're receiving this video because you've reached out to our office and requested a consultation with one of our attorneys involving modification of child support. Believe me when I tell you, one of the most common things that people reach out to us to discuss is child support modification. We know this is a really important issue when you're raising children and something that can cause a lot of stress. So what I wanted to do is send you this video to help you prepare for our discussion so that we can maximize our time together. First, I want you to understand that anytime a person seeks modification of child support in Arizona, they have to demonstrate to the court that there's been some kind of substantial and ongoing change of circumstance. When it comes to child support, that usually means that there's been some sort of change in financial circumstances that justifies going back to court and having the court modify the current child support order. That could include losing your job, getting a reduction in pay, or if you're asking the court to increase the child support you're receiving, perhaps the other spouse has received a pay raise or had some other sort of change in income. In Arizona, it's necessary to show the court that there's been at least a 15% change in the amount of child support in order for child support to be modified. So in order for us to best use our time when we're together, here's the information I'm going to ask you to consider and come prepared to discuss. First of all, if you can bring any existing orders with you, that's very helpful for us to understand where things stand right now. That would include any prior child support calculations the court may have entered. Secondly, we'll need to know how much your income is and, as best as you understand, the income of the other parent. We also will need to know who is covering health insurance for the children and how much they are paying each month for health insurance only for the children. If you're in a situation where you have to use daycare, please come prepared with any information regarding the daycare costs for your child or for your children. It's always helpful if you can to bring a copy of an invoice or a printout of what you have been paying to your child care provider. Finally, we also need to know how much parenting time each parent has with the child. Generally, that's going to be in the current parenting plan orders. So once again, if you can make sure to bring your current orders with you, that will help us determine what each parent is entitled to in terms of parenting time. What I like to do when I do a child support modification is do some unofficial child support calculations with you. The only way we can do that is if you can come prepared with the information that I've asked you to come with in this video. And as you're considering these issues, if you have any other questions involving anything related to child support, please come prepared to discuss those as well. This could include covering health insurance, who pays what when it comes to uncovered medical costs, and the division of taxes. Once again, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to meet with you. We look forward to seeing you soon.